Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to see our next question, that is program to print all permutation of a given string. Okay, so basically we are given a string and we have to find all the permutations, possible permutations. So basically what permutation is, first let's understand. A permutation is a arrangement of objects in a definite order. Okay, so for example we have ABC. So in how many ways we can rearrange the words? Like in the output, we get ABC first, right? Now we are shuffling B and C. So we get ACB. In similar manner, how many combinations we get, that we can say it is a permutation. So basically, permutation is arranging objects in definite orders. Like for example, you have seen, I already have told you. So this all are the permutations of a given string, right? So we have to write a code to find all the possible permutations. This is our task. So now let's see algorithm. So first I think it will be much better we can understand with the help of code. So let's see the code. Here you can find the code in C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. So I will share the link to this article in the description section. So let's try to understand the code in C programming language. Let me copy this code and open in online compiler. So here you can see that our code is in C programming language, right? So here basically our string is ABC. Now we have to permutate all the combinations, right? All the permutations we need of ABC. So let's see how we are going to solve that. Okay, so firstly we have calculated the length of the string. Okay, that is very necessary for this code, right? So then we have created one function, that is find permute. Okay, that is our main logic, right? This is the main concept we use for the permutation, right? So here we will call that with the string, right? And length -1, right? 3 is the length, so for index purpose, right? From 0th we started, so length -1, right? So we call this permute and we have passed that as a call by value, call by reference, right? Star m as a pointer, we are referring the string, right? And these two are in our input parameter length. Here at the initial level 0 and length is 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So 0 and 2 are our input parameters. Okay, and a is a string, right? So now our code is how it is working. Let me show you one image so it will be easy for you for understanding. What approach we are going to do is, suppose we are having a string as ABC, right? So firstly what we are doing, we are swapping the number with itself, right? So a is fixed. Yeah, at the each stage we are fixing one particular character and then we are moving forward and fixing the other character. So in this way we are forming the all the permutations, right? So ABC we have first fixed A, right? Then we have left with B and C. So now what we will do, first case is we made B as constant, right? Swap B with B, that means nothing, right? So B we fixed second character also. So in this case we got first our ABC as a first permutation, right? So now we backtracking is important, right? So we backtrack and we move back to ABC where A is fixed. Okay, means first we fixed A, then we move forward and fixed B. So our first combination is this. Now we backtrack and we move back to the our previous string where first A is fixed and others are variable. Now what we will do? We will swap B and C. Okay, so this is backtracking. We move from our final string to the one stage back. Okay, so we move to ABC, right? So now in this stage what we will do, we will swap B and C, right? So here you can see swap B with C. So now what we will get, A, C is fixed now, right? And B. So next string is our ACB. In this way we are creating all the permutations, right? Suppose here we say B, right? So now what we will do, we will swap with A first character, right? So we are fixing B initially. So we start with B, fixing B. Now we left with two character A and C. So now what we are doing, we are doing the same step that we used earlier, right? So we will first make A as fixed and rest is only one character. So this is our new string, right? BAC. Now we will backtrack and move to the previous string, right? And then we will swap these two characters and then we get a new string, right? So in this way we all do the permutations, right? In this way we are calculating all the permutations for the string ABC. In the similar manner, if we have 4 length of 4, so some different arrangement will be there, but approach will be the same, right? We will fix first character, then we will shuffle other characters. So it is like a recursive approach we are following, right? First we are fixing A, then we are fixing B, then we are fixing C. Okay, and backtracking concept is also used. Like we get final string, then we move back to the previous stage and swap numbers, swap characters, right? So and then we move forward, and then we backtrack, right? So in this way our whole approach is going, right? Suppose here A, we fixed A, we fixed B, we get new string, we backtrack, we get C. Okay, no further permutations possible for with fixed B and C, so we get this. Now we backtrack, we move to ABC, then we again backtrack, we move to ABC. Now we swap B and A, get B as fixed, A and C remains there. We swap A and C. First we put A as fixed, then we swap A and C, and we get two more strings, and then we backtrack, move to BAC, we make this permutation, then we backtrack, then we again backtrack, and then we do C as fixed. So in this manner whole permutation is doing. So our code is also doing the same. How? Like here firstly we have passed our string and length 0 and the length -1, right? So now what is the length 1 is equal to length 2? No, in the first case 0 and 2 we are passing, so 0 and 2 is not equal, right? Then in this approach from 0 to we are looping and we are swapping. So for each individual step we are doing this swap. Okay, first character is swap, right? So we in the first, what is the length? Length 1 is 0 and I is starting from length 1. So for same character, here we can see same character, swap A with A. So this approach is doing the same character. Then we call the find permute. Swap is basically we are swapping the numbers. Okay, so in this first case we are swapping A with A itself. Okay, so this is swapping. Then we call the permutation again, right? We called recursively, as I have told you while explaining this logic. So this we call find permute. We recursively call the same function with the different parameters, right? So our parameters changed, right? And then what is our next stage is this, right? Then we move forward, we swap variables, right? So this time we swap B and C. So in this way whole our approach is following. This is for backtrack purpose that I have told you. From this string we have to move back, right? From again this. So for backtrack purpose we are using again calling swap variable, right? So this is our main logic behind this. I hope you understand the code. This is our whole for sample. I have told you, explained you with the help of example. So now let's try to execute this code. So let's see how many permutations we get. It's taking time, I guess network issue is there some. Okay, let's try to reload this. I get there is a network issue, so let's reload this. Okay, so let's paste our code and let's try to execute that. I guess there is some issue with online compiler right now, so I guess so whenever you execute this code, you will find this all combinations ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CBA and CAB. All these permutations you will find after executing the code, right? So let's see if code is not able to compile right now due to some network issue, I guess. Okay, so it is not working, don't worry. So this is all combinations you will get when I execute this code, right? So here you can find the code, right? So different programming languages you can find the code and try to execute. Okay, so this is all about permutations of a given string. Okay, so in further videos we will explain more about different codes, right? And if you have any issue, if you have any doubt, you can mention that in the comment section. Okay, thanks guys.